All right, moving on now. Congress party is holding a crucial meet to discuss its future plans as far as its party is concerned. Congress leaders Ashok Gehlot, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Anand Sharma, B.S. Huda, Ambika Soni, P. Chidambaram are all at 10 Janpath for a meeting with the party's interim president, Sonia Gandhi. Let me, in fact, go across to Meenakshi, who's joining us for more details at this point. Meenakshi, obviously this comes at a crucial point right now, given what's coming up ahead in terms of the assembly elections, but more importantly, to discuss the future of the party itself. There has been so much of internal dissent and so much of friction within the party itself.
Well, absolutely, Avni. The Congress needs to really put its house together in order. That's the underlying theme. We are coming to our viewers from outside 10 Janpath. This is the residence of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, where all the leaders have come in since 10 this morning. Like you rightly mentioned, it also has Mr. Kamal Nath, Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi in attendance alongside the group of 23 dissenters who had famously gone ahead and written that letter citing their differences about the manner of administration or conducting of affairs within the Congress party. So you see, the party is poised at a very precarious position, given the fact that Mrs. Sonia Gandhi is the interim president of the Congress party. There is election which is there in the roadmap ahead for the selection of a permanent Congress president, which in all probability is going to be Rahul Gandhi. For that, the road cannot be fraught with dissent. So what we are learning from our sources within the Congress party is, apart from all the larger issues pertaining to the assembly polls in various states like Bengal coming up, the party needs to really get its house in order. So there is a assurance Mrs. Gandhi is expected to take from all these dissenters that while she will be looking into their respective areas of concern, she wishes for them to place forth a united front so that the party remains really united going forward to take all these challenges in the road ahead. So it is a crucial meeting in that sense, Avni, because this is a meeting which is seeing the participation of all the 23 or so dissenters, like the likes of senior leader Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad and several others who have cited their disgruntlement. Mr. Kamal Nath is also present. He's supposed to really play a pivotal role. And remember, this is the first meeting that is happening without Mr. Ahmed Patel. And Mr. Ahmed Patel, obviously now deceased, he has always assumed the role of a primary troubleshooter of the Congress party. But be that as it may, meeting underway since about 10:15 in the morning. We are at 2 in the afternoon, very much continuing, and all eyes on 10 Janpath to see what kind of amicable resolution for the roadmap ahead can be worked out this time with Mrs. Gandhi's intervention.
Yes, absolutely, Meenakshi. It will be interesting. And also, of course, it will also be important to watch out for as to what the dissenting people who, the leaders who raised questions over the leadership of the Congress party and about how things were being done, whether or not they will be satisfied after this meeting, will also be interesting to watch out for.
Well, yes, absolutely. You see, Avni, that will play out, obviously, in the days to come. But clearly, without having its house in order, without keeping its flock together, Congress cannot hope to perform the role of effective opposition in India, especially when we are seeing how the BJP is going hammer and tongs at a time like this ahead of West Bengal. Clearly, for West Bengal, much is desired as far as the Congress efficiency is concerned. So, yes, that's going to be crucial going forward, how that plays forward. Mrs. Gandhi obviously going to assure these dissenters that their concerns will be looked into, but whether or not they will be satisfied, whether or not the roadmap ahead will see them really sticking to the official position of the Congress, not stepping out of the fold, not giving these kind of interviews to the media in particular, something that the Congress frowns upon, saying that all discord should be discussed internally, not spoken outside in public domain. Those are areas one will be obviously seeing how it pans out. But today, this is a meeting where the first step towards the resolution or harmonization of the internal disputes and differences has been undertaken by no less than Mrs. Gandhi herself.
Right. Yes, absolutely, Meenakshi. Thank you so much for getting us all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you as and when there are more developments.